Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read hana or wa in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means to talk. It has 13 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like wa. On its own, it is usually hana. Words rolling off a lively tongue. Talking. Now, let's write it. 13 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Hanasu, hanasu means to speak. Denwa, denwa means telephone. And kaiwa, kaiwa means conversation. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Go, read go, language. Katsu, read katsu, lively. Notice the small differences. So that's hana, to talk. 13 strokes. Read hana or wa. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.